Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 18th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla up a little bit, up $19.29, 1.96%, closed at 10.0429. Post market, we are up by $5. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. $20 up almost. So does that change something? Not really. It doesn't change much. So we have a green candle right here, a little bit longer wick at the bottom than at the top. So the buyers won this round, but the stock closed above $1,000, so that's nice. That's an even round number. But the real resistance that we need to look at is 1023.11. So this is what we need to look at, and we have not crossed it today. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, so this is the first hour of the day. We came back down. Look at this. We came as low as 972.84. I cannot make this up. I cannot make this up. This is the support that we were looking at, and we came right to that support and came back up. And then second hour came back down, and then at 1:30 until 2:30, this is the candle that we had. Nice green candle. So it seemed like we were going to at least reach 1023, because look at stochastic here. Stochastic is at 75. So stochastic over 60, the stock should be going up. But then it stalled. It stalled, came back down. But then look at this last candle here. Longer wick at the bottom. So it came down, but then the buyers were there to pick up some stock at that price. So my guess is anything lower than 1,000, people are just jumping on it. Stochastic is finishing at 59.47. So that's awfully close to our 60. DMI green, RSI green, MACD green. Maybe today things are going to go back up. I will start myself to maybe take a position, take a guess position, because nobody knows what is going to happen. Tesla could release great news on their earnings call and the stock could tank, or the stock could go super high. So nobody knows in the short term what is going to happen. We are just going to look at the trend. So right now the trend is that we are between 972 and 1023. This is the trend. The stock is stuck between these two numbers and going up and down between these two numbers. As soon as we reach above 1023.11, then the trend has been broken on the upside. So in technical analysis, we follow the herd. We follow the herd, we follow the crowd. We cannot make the stock move by ourselves. But when a stock moves in a significant manner, then it means that there's something that has changed. The perception of the people has changed, maybe because of some news, maybe because of something else. We don't really care, but the fact is there's something that changed significantly, and then this is good enough for us to jump on the bandwagon. But the keyword here is significant change. So any move between 972 and 1023 is not significant. This is not significant change. We need to have something below 972.84 or above 1023.11. That's what we do here. Let's go back to the daily chart. So going sideways, stochastic at 47 is going lower than yesterday, even though we have a green candle. This is pretty interesting. And almost all of our indicators are in the tank. We just came out of this downward resistance. So we had this downward resistance that started April 5th, was confirmed April 13th, and also confirmed April 14th. So that resistance was broken. So this is good news, because the downtrend for Tesla, the fact that Tesla was making lower highs and lower highs, this has stopped. But also the trend, the bullish trend where Tesla was making higher lows also stopped. So basically, the stock is in a dead zone. Nobody wants to invest a lot and nobody wants to sell a lot. So people are basically waiting for what is going to happen on Wednesday. But we might have tomorrow some people that want to get a jump start. This is something that we sometimes see. Some people might want to get a jump start. If we go back to this earnings call on January 26th, look at what was happening 2 days prior. The stock went down to 879 and people bought it up until and right up there and went almost to $1,000. So from 879 to 1,000 before the earnings call. And when the earnings details were made known on the 26th after the close, then on the next day, the stock dropped. This little move up here was just because people had high expectations and the news were pretty good. And the stock tanked anyway and went sideways and tanked some more. So I would be very cautious here. So for me, I'm not buying any stocks. I'm full cash. I took profit after this nice move up. So I'm very happy. I'm all cash. I'm all safe and secure and everything. But I'm going to play this with options. I'm still thinking about what I'm going to do, but this is what I'm going to do. Join me every single day. I do a Tesla and Palantir video every single day so that you won't miss anything. Just subscribe, play, and ding dong bitch with the bell. Hats off to iPhone though, so that you don't miss any of my videos. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.